Good morning! Welcome back to a new video. As you can see, we are in our storage room still and we are progressing onwards. The walls are nice and white, so we are ready to attach this boiler. So this one is going to be our water heater. So this is going to heat up using our stove, so it's going to use hot water to heat itself up, and also has the option to use electricity when you're not using fire, like in summer. So we can use our solar power to charge this thing up. So have hot water for free in theory, without extra cost, because currently I think our biggest expense is hot water heating. There's really nothing else we're using a lot besides like fridge, freezer, computers and TV. I think that's about it. And then the biggest thing is pump and water heater. Pump you can't live without, but water heater you can have it from your heating system. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what it comes with and what we need to get it on the wall. Let's get started and unbox it.
That's the warranty, don't lose that.
Oh, comes with this one. That's a big plastic bag. Whoa. Or electricity. Ooh.
So that was our Christmas present, which we are unboxing a bit late. It was sponsored by my mom.
Yeah. How do we get this thing out?
Wait, I need more fingers. Nice. Oh yeah, she loves the box.
Yeah, use it fast.
You like it?
She loves it.
So you have to not look at her.
So the boiler doesn't actually come with any screws, so we went and bought some. It's €1.30, so they're really not expensive. Nice big screws to drill into the wall. And yeah, we need to now measure how wide we need it and how high we need it to have it flush with the beam that we're gonna have it. Maybe just a bit over the beam. So yeah, let's set that up. So the boiler has been connected and now we're gonna do the plug. So since we're doing the electrical for the boiler, since it is electric, we're gonna heat it up with electricity when we don't heat up our house. We also gonna attach the electrical. We're gonna use a nice big wire. I didn't have any white ones, so I'm gonna use a black wire. It's meant to be used outside. It's more expensive in theory, but it's only like 3 or 4 meters I need, so it's not the biggest waste. So yeah, let's attach this box. This is also waterproof for outside, unnecessary for inside use, but I like them. They're nice and sealed in rubber and they're really hard to open, you know, for kids I guess, but not like kids will anywhere climb up there. I don't know. I just like these boxes. They're nice and strong. We're also gonna do the lights as well, so we're gonna do pretty much all the electrical except the plugs, since the plugs, there will be, I think, plug here for cupboards, plug there for cupboard, and there will be probably a double or triple plug here on the wall as well. So yeah, we'll see how we set up the plugs, but probably cupboard plugs, like, you know, built-in plugs.
Okay. So that's the color of the wall it was before when we first moved in. Like something.
And that
grayish.
was probably the best level of it. Most of it was dirty.
Yeah.
Not color, but dirty. So we have reached the point where we have removed the wood here that was holding all these cables, and now we want to relocate this box to here. Anyway, so yeah, we want to make a wood for here for the corner because it is really ugly, this whole side here. Let's see what we can do if we want to cover it up with wood. So this is what we made, but as we brought it here to test it, we realized that this is not gonna work because I measured here 11 and it's actually the inside should be 11, so this should be, I think, like 16 or something. Yeah, 16. So I messed that up, and also it's really small, so we're gonna go in the barn and see if we have a better wood that we can use that's a bit more bigger, because if I would have cut it 16, this would be like that big, so it would not be much of a point. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this for something else. So yeah, let's go make another one.
We can never do a job properly, because when we do it properly, we have to cut it sideways. And when we cut it sideways, we have to cut it straight.
Okay, let's work on the lights now.
And by the way, Keita is still terrified of that room. Keita, it's okay. Keita, no. Don't need to run away. Keita, no. She remembers. So I better leave.
So after coming in and out multiple times just to adjust it and make it perfect, we have made this one, which really fits perfect now. Besides, the cables are really in the way right now. But yes, anyways, we're gonna get the cables away and then you're gonna see exactly how it looks. But it looks a lot better. It still leaves this giant gap that we need to now paint. So we need to primer it and paint it so it's ready for tomorrow.
Original idea was that we're gonna continue with the wood.
Yeah, we wanted the wood all the way till the cupboards.
Yeah, here.
But we abandoned that idea because it's not a problem to be the wall. And
it's a waste of wood for us.
Yeah, it's a waste of wood. It really is not necessary to cover up.
No.
The corner here, we're not gonna go now cementing it.
No,
so
exactly.
Just putting this one wood, it's also gonna make it much nicer as well than just having fresh cement there. So yeah, let's get the cables done. Probably gonna install lights, and then we're gonna move this box and paint, lock and paint. Tomorrow morning paint, and then attach this and attach everything else. It's a lot of steps left to do, and
yeah, it's a lot of tiny things, and this project took like nearly 2 hours, okay?
just this little corner.
So now let's go to the lights. Sorry,
it's not as fast as it looks in the camera. It takes time.
You can see it's already nearly dark outside.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the lights.
so we are done with the cable and this part of the room. So yeah, it took a lot longer than we expected. Of course, we did also the lights. Looks a lot better in here. And this definitely hides the corner really nicely and combines really good. I didn't connect the cable just yet because we are not going to be using it with the electricity just for now as well. But I will connect it probably tomorrow or the day after. And a lot of people said in the previous video why we did not finish the walls and make them all flat. First of all, we don't mind how it looks. It has character, it's scratched up, it's beaten, it's been through life. It's not like just a bad job. They have texture, they have shape. And as I said, 80% of these walls are gonna get covered. This wall is specifically like 90% of this wall gets covered. So you're not gonna see most of this walls. It really wouldn't be a reason for us to make it all perfect and beautiful when most of it is gonna be hidden and you're not even gonna ever see it. So you're just gonna see this much here, and then a tiny strip under between the cabinets and the counter. So realistically, and even maybe we'll put a black backsplash, and it might not even be visible at all. So realistically, and that wall there, bit is gonna be visible. And it doesn't look bad. It looks nice. It has character, and that's it. There's gonna be a flat wall here, and the whole hallway is all flat, and the rest of the house has character. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. We have a lot to do, a lot of plumbing, a lot to get this boiler and this system running. So yeah, see you then.
I do like this wood though. Really, really nice.